to hear all the details about the Managed Swift Service offering. We've seen strong interest from AWS customers to leverage this type of managed solutions. From your perspective, how do you see options like yours to implement the critical Swift infrastructure in the cloud, helping customers with modernizing their payments and transactional infrastructures?
We do see customers involved in projects to modernize their payment infrastructures, for example, to adopt new standards such as ISO 20022 or to enable new services such as instant payments. As part of these efforts, we clearly see a trend towards implementing these solutions in the cloud to take advantage of the resiliency, flexibility, and agility at the core of cloud computing. With DiXiO Swift Managed Services on AWS, we remove the traditional blockers related to Swift connectivity, such as hardware requirements or security, and we provide the expertise and support for financial institutions to run their Swift connectivity entirely in the cloud, integrated with their payment applications. Thanks to this, financial institutions can dedicate their resources to added value projects to improve the way they manage their payments for their own customers. Now, Gloria, from an AWS perspective, do you see similar trends, and what do you see are the key benefits for customers as they kick off this transformation in the cloud?
Thank you, Leo. Yes, completely agree with your perspective. As financial institutions kick off these initiatives to modernize their core payments and transactional infrastructures, they are looking for three things: maintaining strict compliance with the required control frameworks, improving resiliency and availability, and finally, developing new services for their customers faster. AWS, working with its partners, is focused on helping customers in those areas. For example, for Swift connectivity on AWS, customers receive guidance for compliance with Swift's security control framework, including a certification attesting to compliance of the controls under AWS's responsibility in our shared responsibility model. And partners such as DiXiO have the expertise to support third-party audits tailored to AWS implementations, which can leverage native services such as AWS Config and Security Hub to automate compliant implementations and continuous monitoring. Secondly, customers leverage AWS regions and availability zones to ensure the highest levels of resiliency and availability for their critical payments network connectivity. And there is a big focus on automation to enable customers to stand up new Swift gateways in minutes if required by the growth of their business. Finally, by leveraging managed services such as DiXiO's, customers have accelerated the compliant migration of their Swift connectivity and kicked off the migration of payment applications, working with the extensive set of AWS partners offering solutions for all components of the payments workflow.